Wow, Mom, you're giving us too much stuff. I can already tell.
Today I'm cooking with Lynja. We're making my favorite milkshake, the white fudge chunky milkshake. To start the recipe, the first step is to grab the vanilla ice cream. We add 3 to 4 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream into our blender. Then we add 5 white fudge chunky cookies into the blender. Lastly, we add a splash of whole milk, and then it's time to blend. Now that the shake is blended, we pour the milkshake into a glass, add the whipped cream, top it with sprinkles, and then put in a straw. Man, that hits the spot.
Dad, I thought you said you weren't going to finish the whole thing.
Just can't stop. It tastes so good.
Wait. Okay. Oh, you have a whipped cream mustache, baby. Very nice.